Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to hide Assistive Ball automatically in full screen in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the convenience tool. Okay, click this, and okay guys, here in convenient tools, okay, you can see the assistive ball. Okay, you'll have to do is go to assistive ball, and okay guys, here in assistive ball, okay, the assistive ball is on. And okay guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to hide assistive ball automatically in full screen. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to below by scroll down the screen, and okay guys, you can see the hide ball automatically in full screen is on. And okay guys, if this turn on, okay, when the assistive ball is hidden, you can pull down from the top edge of the screen to show it again. And okay guys, to enable or to turn on the hide ball automatically in full screen, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully hide automatically the assistive ball in full screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.